In this tutorial, we will see that how can remove age restriction on YouTube app in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, you have to open YouTube from here. After opening it, at the bottom side, you will see here this U button. Click on that. And from right top side, you can click on this gear icon. Click on that. And here, you need to open this channel. Open it. And from here, you have to scroll it down and you have to find here this restricted mode. But if this is disabled for you and you still can't access age restricted content, then what you can do is simply click back and from here, click on this Google account. After clicking it, you have to open here this personal info. Then if you scroll it down, you will see here your birth date. You can open it. And now simply, to remove age restriction on YouTube app, you have to change your birth date. It should be +21. If you are 15 or 17, you can change it from here. So that's how you can remove age restriction on YouTube app in just few easy steps.